Hey guys, Nick here with Car Clinic. Today I'm going to show you how to check your engine oil. As you can see here, we already have the hood up on this vehicle, and most common color of a dipstick is going to be yellow. You always want to pull the dipstick out first, wipe it clean, reinstall, and remove. You always want to keep your dipstick vertical. There's two marks on your dipstick, high and low. The distance between those 2 points, they call the safe zone. As long as your engine oil is, at least halfway between the two or near the top of the high side mark, you're in good safe standing for oil level. The tint and the thickness of the engine oil will give you a good indication of its condition. A dark black, thick oil indicates that it needs to be changed immediately. Any sort of metal flake or sparkle in the engine oil, visible on the dipstick, indicates that engine wear to bearings, rings, cylinder walls. You don't want to see hardly any metal flake, if any metal flake, in the engine oil whatsoever. Your oil filter is there to trap as much as it possibly can, but if you have a severe engine wear issue, you will still notice it in the engine oil when you check it on the dipstick. Here at Car Clinic, your safety is our top priority. That's why checking the engine oil is part of every routine inspection and every time you bring your vehicle to us. We want to save you as much money as possible, keep you on the road, keep your family safe. So to ensure that, bring your vehicle to us and we'll take care of you.